Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add policies to the footer on Shopify. This is a crucial step for any online store as it helps build trust with your customers by making important legal information easily accessible right at the bottom of your website. First, you'll want to navigate to shopify.com and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct login details to access your store's dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in and you're on the home page, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find various options for managing your store. Look for and click on Online Store. This section is where you'll manage the visual appearance and content of your storefront. After clicking on Online Store, you'll see your current theme displayed. This is the design template that your store is currently using. Right beside your theme, you'll notice an Edit Theme button. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you into the theme customization interface where you can make changes to how your store looks and functions. Now that you're in the theme editor, look towards the left side of the screen. You'll see different sections of your website that you can customize. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Footer. Click on it to expand the footer customization options. The footer is the area at the bottom of every page on your site, making it the perfect place for policy links. Within the footer section, you'll see an option that says Add Block. Click on this button and a search field will appear. In this search field, type Policy. This will filter the available blocks to show you policy-related options. From the search results, select Policy Links. This specific block is designed to automatically pull in your store's legal policies and display them in the footer. Once you've added the Policy Links block, you have some flexibility in how it appears. You can rearrange its position within the footer by simply dragging it to where you want it to sit relative to other footer elements. On the right side of the screen, you'll see customization options where you can adjust the font size to match your store's aesthetic. You can also choose between default or uppercase text styling for the policy links. After you've arranged everything to your liking and made your styling choices, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a Save button. Click on it to ensure all your changes are preserved and will appear on your live store. And that's it. Your policy links are now visible in your footer, making your store more professional and transparent. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.